There you go. And you take the branch.
What'd you see in Thailand with the elephants?
You rode them.
Yeah, we were riding them, and then the driver of ours asked to take a picture.
No, he just got off.
There he goes.
He got off the elephant, and he kind of like
Anyway,
walked away.
so I realized,
he said, "Whoa."
what the hell am I going to do now?
That one is just rolling.
Yeah, he's lying down, rolling around.
He's too hot, obviously.
Yes, it's very hot.
It's gonna do what I'm gonna go do.
Take a shower?
Noah is trying to throw the water over the ears. A lot of blood vessels
Blood
are coming
vessels
there.
in the ears.
Yeah, so if that blood is cooled going through the ears, then it's easy to cool the body temperature.